Hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So today in this video we are going to learn how do we schedule our videos on YouTube. To know that, firstly go to your browser. After going to your browser, open your YouTube, go to your profile at the top right corner and go to your channel. After going to your channel, you can see the upload videos option. Click on upload videos. Now you can see the select the file option. Click the video you want to upload, click on open. If you want to change the title, just change. If you want to add the description, just add your descriptions, thumbnails, and go to next. And here you can see the audience option, if it is for kid or if it's for kid or not. So I'm going for no, it's not for kid. Next, you can see the video element. If you want to add credit cards like that, then go and add. Next one is checks. It is checking if it's a copyright or not. It's left. You can jump into visibility. It is checked here. You can see if you want to go for public, you can go for public. If you want to go for unlisted, you can go for unlisted, but I want to go for private. So that's it. And right down you can see the schedule option. Just click on that, and here is the date. Click the date you want to schedule, like for 2 days after now, and time you can select. And if you want to set a premiere, then set it, and if you don't, then don't, and just click on schedule and your video will post it according to your schedule. So that's it guys, hope you liked our video. If you liked our video, then please like and subscribe, plus hit the notification bell for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.